Good evening, everybody. My name is Jamie with Sailor Breakers. Today is Sunday, May 2nd. It is 9:29 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we are doing our baseball mixer number 1. So, if I have any new people to this group, welcome and thank you. Yes, they're so, it's like when you chew them, they like make it juicy or something. I don't know. Anyway, I swallowed too quickly and, almost choked myself. That's all. That's all it is. I apparently need supervision when I eat Skittles. But that's fine. I'll live, I reckon. I think if I choke on Skittles, it probably means I'm hungry and I should probably eat some real food. Would be my guess. Just a thought. Exactly. Exactly. Prism is going to be first. This prism is 2013. Okay. So, I hope everybody has enjoyed their weekend so far. I appreciate everybody joining me on our normal Sunday evening. If you're not used to breaking with us, Sunday is our normal. We do break sometimes during the week, but Sundays are a pretty sure thing. Alright, 2013 Prism. And let's see. Rookie Jed. Jackie Bradley rookie. Altuve Fearless. And base. Rookies are Manny Machado and Ricky Weeks. USA Baseball, David Price. Nathan Carnes rookie and Shelby Miller rookie. Fearless, Felix Hernandez and base. Rookie is Casey Kelly. Oh, yeah, rookie Casey Kelly. We have the Prism rookie Yasiel Puig. Rookie is Phillips. Jay Chapman. Rookie yeah. I don't know where to start with that one, so I'm not going to try. Rookie challenger, Zach Wheeler. Brandon Moore, rookie. Tyler Skaggs, rookie. Gold Prism is Chapman. 2 of 10. 2 of 10 going to Cincinnati. Adam Eaton, rookie. Fearless, Mike Trout, base. Rookie is Carter Capps and Oswald Arcia. Rookie, this one is Refractor. Garcia, rookie. Rookie, Lino. Die cut is Carlos Gonzalez for Colorado. Yep, Colorado. This one is 17 of 60. Die cuts and sleeves aren't my favorite. There we go. And rookie is Scott Rice. Herman, rookie. Presley, rookie. Top prospects is Correa. Rookie, Robbie Grossman. Burgos, rookie. Rookie challengers is Kevin Gossman. McFarland, rookie. Mike Olt, rookie. Barnes, rookie. Band of Brothers, Felix Hernandez and Michael Morse. Cole, rookie. Machi, rookie. Refractor is Perez for Washington. Yeah, Nigel, I definitely have to agree with you. A 2 of 10 Chapman is definitely. Rookie Nick. Fearless Molina. Rookie is Andrew Taylor. Base. Rookie Doolittle. And Ryan Jackson. USA Baseball, Troy. Yep. Okay. So, our autos were rookie, Adam Eaton, rookie. This one is going to Arizona. Not numbered. And second auto is Sandberg going to Chicago. Also not numbered. Hall of Famer. Sandberg auto. Right there. Going to Chicago. (2016) Top Cone. no doubt. It's been a while since I've opened Chrome. How many packs there were? Let's see if Topps Chrome 2016. See what they got. Bet Topps Chrome will be crazy this year, like it was last year. Alright, let's do this. Alright, we are just gonna go through Orange Strasburg. 9 of 25. Sanchez rookie. Daeho Lee auto for the Mariners. Not numbered. Put Mariners up with an auto first. Gonzalez insert. Bryant, Future Stars, Rookie Story. Prism, this is Mike Folty. Aaron Nola auto. That is rookie purple auto. 118 of 250. Didn't mean to get those right up front, but there it is nonetheless. Insert is Harper. So that is a Future Stars prism of Franco. Schwarber rookie. Kevin. Future Stars. Daeho Lee rookie. Jose Barrios Youth Impact. And rookie is Blake Snell. And Mark Teixeira insert. Future Stars is Martinez. Rookie refractor is Robert Snyder. Base. Rookie, Henry Owens. Rookie, Brios. Addison Russell, Future Star, 73 of 99. Russ Snyder, rookie. John Gray, Youth Impact. Rookie, Johnson. Roberto Osuna, Future Stars. Stripling, rookie. Ichiro, insert. Brios, rookie. Refractor is Billy Hamilton. Hazel Baker, rookie. Maeda, rookie. Maeda, rookie again. First pitch is Johnny Knoxville. Zach Lee, rookie. And Tyler White, rookie. That is Topps Chrome. Alright, we're going to do Topps Stadium Club 2017. Definitely a little bit different than football. We have a few more packs here. Alrighty. So we are gonna go through these, and I don't know why they're upside down. I think they do this just to me. I'm pretty sure it's just me. Rookie David Dell. Alright, sorry about that. Rookie Mancini and rookie. Power Zone is Correa. Rookie Joe. Really? Musgrove. It's in cursive. It's fancy. Contact sheet, Daniel Murphy. Tanaka. Oh my gosh. Scoreless streak is Alex Reyes. Oh, that's interesting. I'm going to be batty by the time I get done with this. They're sticking together, upside down. Go, Daniel Murphy. Contact sheet, Donaldson. Rookie is Hernandez. Rookie Dahl. I think that's the only rookie in here, apparently. See, can I just find the hits in here for rookie Jorge Alfaro. Power Zone is Donaldson and base. Trevor Story, that is black. In black there. Lopez, rookie. Rookie is Guerrero. Tapia. There is Hazel Baker auto. Hazel Baker. Yeah. Rookie. Bregman. And black, that is Manuel Mango. Rookies are De Leon and Lugo. Scoreless streak is Hernandez. Scoreless streak is DeGrom. Machado. Beam Team. And thank God. Alright, we do have a redemption. Alrighty, we do have a base card auto, and it is Matt Olson. And we will have to double check the checklist on that, so when I check that, I will write that on there and make sure that we get that to the right team. '17 Diamond Kings. Going to Oakland A's. Yep. Thanks, Nigel. Yeah, just wanted to double check the checklist to be sure. Alrighty, let's see if we can pull something out of here. Weaver, rookie. Aurora, Nolan Arenado. Gray frame, rookie, Alex Reyes. Nunez, rookie. Seager. Heritage Collection is Tony Perez. Schwarber. Gray frame. So those are numbered in 2018, but whatever. Gonzalez, rookie. Swanson, rookie. Heritage Collection is Carlton Fisk. Robert Gelman, that is rookie, and Marquez, rookie. Originals, Robin, yep. Uko, rookie, and rookie is Okada. Memorable moment, Jim Bottomley. Billy Herman, gray frame. Rookie is Alex Bergman and Jake Esch, rookie. Heritage Collection, Bob Feller. Hoffman, rookie. Originals is Martinez. Okada, rookie. Mancini, rookie. Originals, Ozzie Smith. Benintendi, rookie. Aurora is Mike Trout. Jumbo, gray frame. Need more. Aaron Judge, rookie. Westgrove, rookie. Memorable moment is Wagner. Lopez, rookie. Heritage Collection, Willie McCovey. Carson Kelly, rookie. Red frame is Yoenis Cespedes, and this one is 23 of 99. Original moments, Kirby Puckett, and base. So we have Clayton Kershaw, 42 of 49, 2 dual solid color patches. And we have Jorge Soler, that is bat and 2 color swatch. This one is 147 of 149. Chicago. And finally, Diamond King 2018. Williams rookie. Red frame, Benintendi, and that does have a little bit of a pinch down at the bottom. Gallery of Stars, Ozzie Smith. Flexen rookie. Red frame, Mickey Mantle. Daniel Murphy, Gallery of Stars. Miguel Antica, this is Artist Proof. 48 of 99. Going to New York. Past and present, Aaron Judge and Babe Ruth. Lucas Sims rookie. Trophy Club, Dallas Keuchel. Delmonico rookie. And gray frame is Robinson Cano. This one is numbered 58 of 99. Verlander Trophy Club. Wade rookie. Gahara rookie. Crawford rookie. Jose Abreu auto for Chicago. This one is 15 of 99. Abreu auto. The Flying Dutchman. So this is a name variation. Portrait, Joe Morgan. Fowler rookie. 500, Mickey Mantle. Pride rookie. Aurora, rookie bets. Mookie Betts. Past and present, Mickey Mantle and Mike Trout. Greg Allen. Ohtani rookie. Santander rookie. Rookie Stevenson. Gary Sheffield 500. Santander rookie. And Gallagher, that is dual patch. Going to Kansas City. Not numbered. Smith rookie. Delmonico rookie. Portrait, Tony Gwynn. And base. We do have the New York, LA, so I'm going to roll the dice. Even goes top, odd goes to the bottom. And it is 1, so it's odd, so it's going to the bottom. So it is going Mike Trout. Alright, that is all for the baseball. I'm going to go over these really quickly. Kershaw, 49. Strasburg, orange, 25. And Chapman, which was 2 of 10. And we had Soler, patch auto. Hazel Baker auto. Going to the A's, that was Matt Olson. Nola purple rookie auto of 250. Daeho Lee. And Sandberg and Eaton autos. Alright, that is all for that. We do have football break coming up here, so I will see you in a few minutes. Thanks, everybody.